Hello children. In this video I am going to explain you about the human digestive system. In the previous video I had explained you about the organs present in the human digestive system. But this time I will explain you how the digestion process goes on. Okay. First we will discuss about the food what we eat. Okay. Actually when we eat the food we take all the nutrients, that is the carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins and minerals, even water and the roughage. These all things we used to take in our food. Okay. And it's not like that all the only the carbohydrate will be present in the food, or one food is there only proteins are present in that. No, but the main nutrient is something else, that is the carbohydrate, but still in that some fat will be there, some sort of protein will be also there. So altogether one main nutrient will be there and rest will be the, you can say, the micronutrients in that particular food. So altogether the digestion process goes on in the body by different actions of the enzymes, and also you can see that all the food nutrients, they keep on getting digested all together, but the enzymes for different digestion of the different nutrients will be different. Okay, that means one enzyme will act on one type of nutrient for the digestion of that particular nutrient, that particular food. Okay, the first we start with the mouth. As the food is entered inside the mouth, there are two kinds of digestion will be there. One is the mechanical digestion and another is the chemical digestion. Now what happens in the mechanical digestion? Mechanical digestion will break the food particles into smaller pieces with the help of teeth, jawbone and the muscles. Okay, the food what you have taken, that is the chapatis, then vegetables, then you can see the pulses are there, cereals are there, rice is there too, then salad is there. So all things when we are taking in the bite, then it is chewed. Okay, so chewing process with the help of teeth, jawbone and the muscles, that is called the mechanical digestion, or also known as the mastication. It is called the mastication. Now the mastication is done, and along with that the chemical digestion will also occur in the mouth. What is that chemical digestion? During the mastication process, the saliva will get mixed with the food. Okay, and then in that food, whatever the carbohydrates will be there, okay, that will start, or the starch is the complex carbohydrate, then it will start getting digested. So first of all, other things will not get digested, the digestion will not start, but the carbohydrates will start, or the starch will start getting digested, and it will start changing into maltose. How it gets changed? Because of the salivary amylase. Salivary amylase, or the ptyalin, is the enzyme which is present in the saliva, comes out through the salivary gland. Here you can see the salivary gland are present in your cheeks and also behind the tongue, and also they will keep on secreting salivary amylase, and then the carbohydrates and will be changed into maltose. Maltose is the simple sugar, okay, that will change in the simplified compound. Now when this food will be mixed with the saliva, it will be known as the bolus. So it becomes bolus, and here you can see it will start, you will start swallowing it. Okay, that is the swallowing process will start from here. Here is a junction, here is a place called the pharynx. Okay, so there will be a common passage which will open the windpipe and the food pipe. Now when you are swallowing the food, what happens here? The windpipe get closes with the help of a muscular flap like structure that is called the epiglottis. So when this epiglottis closes the windpipe, then what will happen? There will be the only passage available to the swallowed food, and then it reaches to the esophagus. Now when it moves to the esophagus, there will be a kind of movement called the peristaltic movement. Okay, this is the movement done by the esophagus, that is called the peristaltic movement. It is a wave like motion. It is caused by the constriction of the circular muscles. Okay, they will keep on moving, the circular muscles will show their action, and then it's a wave like motion which helps the swallowed food to come down easily to the stomach. Esophagus is only for bringing the food from the pharynx to the stomach. The esophagus does not release any kind of digestive juices. Now here comes the another structure called the stomach, in which the digestion process keeps on going when the food enters into the stomach. That means when the food enters in the stomach, that is in the form of bolus, that is called bolus. But when it start getting the gastric juices, then it will be turned into chyme. Now in the stomach, when the food reaches, here some sort of action will go on, and these actions are just because the things which are present inside the stomach. So first thing is hydrochloric acid, as I have told you before also in the previous video when I was introducing about the stomach. So hydrochloric acid is present in that. What are the functions of hydrochloric acid? First thing, it kills the bacteria and it makes the medium acidic. Why medium acidic is needed? To bring the gastric juices into action. Okay, this acidic medium activates the gastric juices. Okay, so this acidic medium, that will be controlling the opening and closing of the pyloric aperture, which is present on the opening of the duodenum. That is the next thing which is present in the stomach, that is the mucus. And this mucus is present in the internal lining of the stomach, which protects it from the acidic medium of the food. Okay, the acidic medium here inside the stomach, that may harm to the stomach lining. So to protect it, this mucus will be in between the food and the stomach. And the third thing is the gastric juices. There are two kinds of gastric juices are there. That is the pepsin will be there and the renin. Pepsin and renin. Renin will change milk protein into curd. Now this renin will disappear when the child will be dependent on the solid food material. Okay, when the child is only dependent on the milk, then it will be digested with the help of renin. But after that, this milk protein will be digested along with the other protein materials present in the food. And one more is there, that is a gastric lipase that digests fat partially, not completely but partially. So somewhat or some sort of digestion will occur in stomach with the protein and the fats. So this is about the mouth, esophagus and the stomach. In the next video, I will talk about the processes or the digestion processes which keeps on going inside the small intestine.